Namaskar. Today we are going to learn tortellini pasta with Pomodoro sauce. To make this pasta dough, we require olive oil, refined flour, eggs, semolina, salt. Make this filling, we require pumpkin and some Parmesan cheese. To make the Pomodoro sauce, we require chopped onions, tomato conchas, chopped garlic, oregano, tomato puree, sugar, bay leaf and fresh basil. To start with the dough, I have taken 100 grams of refined flour, on that 50 grams of semolina, some salt. Mix the semolina and flour together with the salt. Put the egg, just mix the flour along with the egg nicely and form a dough. Now dough is ready and we will just cover it and keep it for resting. Now keep the dough for 15 minutes for resting. Meanwhile, we can prepare a sauce. To make the Pomodoro sauce, let's heat up the pan, add some olive oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 spoon of chopped onions, chopped garlic, sweat onion and garlic, once the onion and garlic is nicely sweat, add the tomato conchas, add some oregano, some salt, add some cracked pepper, put a bay leaf in, and allow it to simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Now add some tomato puree to it. To cut down the little sourness of the tomatoes, we just put some little bit of sugar. And now allow it to simmer for at least another 10 minutes. And then meanwhile we can prepare our pasta. To start with, sheeting the dough. Dust some flour. Now I made the thin sheet of this dough and we'll just shape it up. To make the ravioli, we require a square sheet. Now we need to make the filling. Sheet is ready. To make the stuffing for this pasta, I have made a boiled pumpkin which is mashed after boiling. Now we will be adding some Parmesan cheese into it, which is grated Parmesan, and we will mix this pumpkin with the Parmesan well. Now this mixture has to be filled up in the center of this sheet. Now we will do fold this tortellini, apply little of egg batter, take it on a hand, give a fold, apply some egg wash, then fold it into triangle, seal the dough, put it on this way and fold this sides and then roll it, and then you join this end together, press gently, and this tortellini fold is ready. Once water reaches to the boiling point, start adding your tortellini into it. Now pasta has started floating on top, that is a sign of cooking the pasta. And now this pasta, which is cooked well, will be going to the sauce. Now place all the pasta which are cooked. Now add some chopped basil, and now it is ready to serve. Now let's plate the pasta. Now here is your tortellini with pomodoro sauce is ready.